Today on Meat and Heat, we're doing hot and fast pork ribs on the Acorn Kamado. Start with a good rack of ribs. You could get these at any store. These were from an Albertsons nearby. You want to start by removing the package, and you're going to take a paper towel and you're going to dry off all the liquid that comes with it in the packaging. It's not good stuff. Pat it dry on both sides. When you're done with that, you want to take a butter knife and go in between the membrane and the bone, and you want to remove that. It's easy to use a paper towel to grab it, gives you better grip. Now once you got that removed, with your rub of choice, go ahead and apply liberally all over the place. You want to be really generous with the rub. Wherever there's meat exposed, you want to get it covered with rub. It's going to really pay off when you eat it. You're going to taste what that rub's intended to do all over the place. Give it a nice coating, let it sit for a bit, let it build up a little bit of a tacky texture. So you go ahead and get your smoker going. I start with a lighter cube. Get that going. Make sure I start getting a fire to get my coals lit. And once my coals are in the right place, I'm going to go ahead and put a chunk of applewood in my diffuser plate because I'm doing indirect cooking. My grates, I'm going to spray a little bit of canola oil on them to help build a non-stick seasoning. And then my grate level thermometer. Today I'm going to be running my pit about 320 to 330 for hot and fast. Go ahead and lay your ribs on your smoker. You want to make sure you have about even spacing on either side. And you're going to say goodbye. It's a 3-hour cook, but after the first hour I start spritzing. I use cherry coke. I think it makes a really good flavor. The sugars caramelize well with the heat, and I really like sweet with pork. I think the fats really hold the flavor of the sweet very well. And I do that about every 30 minutes till the 3-hour mark. And you'll see the teeth are starting to show, the meat's pulled back from the bones. Then you want to check for tenderness. You want to make sure there's no pull, no resistance, and it doesn't hurt to check for the temp as well. A good rack of ribs is finished between 190 and 200. You could also use the bend test to see how well they are. So unfortunately I lost a lot of my footage due to it being out of focus. So this is where I started, but one good pointer with ribs is you want to cut them bone side up so you can see where the bone is and follow along with it. If you guys found this video helpful, I really appreciate it if you like it, and if there's anything you want to see in the future, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you, have a good day.